This is the earthing system for the combiner box and the charge controller, the two charge controller. This is the bus bar for the two charge controller and the two combiner box earthing system, grounding system. So you have to take one of this and go with it to the grounding area. So this is the earthing system. This is the combiner, the bus bar for the earthing system. And this is the positive terminal of the charge controller input, and the positive terminal of the charge controller output connected to this breaker, and the output of the charge controller is connected to the BMS, the positive part of the BMS, and the negative part of the output is connected to the negative part of the BMS. This is the connection we have already done. As you can see, this is the connection we have already done today. It's already finished. The 60 kilowatt is already done, as you can see. So I thank you very much, and we are through with it. Thank you for your cooperation. And this is my colleague, engineer, one of the senior engineer is with me. His name was Daniel. I myself also. So this is the BMS, and this is the output of the BMS, and this output, this first one is connected, which is the positive line, is connected to the bus bar, and the negative line of this is connected to this bus bar, and another set of the battery bank, which is the second bank, and this is the output of the positive line. It's connected to this to the bus bar of the positive line, and the negative of it is connected to the negative line of the bus bar. And they also are reading charging, and these are the charge controller. This is 4 stream, that is 4 series. Each one of the series is 1 strand. Each one of the series is for 1 strand. And this is the charge controller that's responsible for each of the stream. And then the sun I've already go is 5.73 kilowatts, 13 amp. And this is the second. This is three stands. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 negative. This is the positive of the input. This is the negative of the input. And this is the 14.38 kilowatts. The sun have already go down. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The 60 kV as Machika I've already completed. This is the BMS, and the SOH is 100% and the SOC is 100%. That the source of health 100 and the source of charging is 100, and the inverter status is on. As you can see, this is the first bank of the 60 kV battery bank system. Is 380 volts, 200 amp, 15,360 kilowatts, 60 kilowatts. And this is the continuation of the second bank. As you can see, is a continuation of the second bank of the battery system. And this is the battery B bank system, that the second bank of the battery system. As you can see, this is the BMS also, and the second bank of the battery system, the SOC, that the source of charging is 100%, the source of health is 100%. And this is as you can see, this is the deck of the different batteries that's connected in series. It's about 384 volts and 15,360 kilowatts. and this is the continuation of the second bank, and this is the combiner box, the first combiner box, and the first charge controller, the Aten area, and this is the second combiner box, and this is the second charging controller. These are the breakers, as you can see. And we come to the inverter. This is the inverter. As you can see now, the inverter output is already shown 3-phase. As you can see, the inverter output is already on, and the inverter is working now. As you can see, this is the 3-phase system. That's 60 kVA in Masheka.